Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable or disable audio scrubbing in DaVinci Resolve. So yeah, let's get straight into it. Now, look at the top application bar and click on the timeline tab. Drop-down menu will appear. Hover down over to the audio section and locate audio scrubbing. Click it to check enable. As you can see right here, I have it enabled because it's check mark right over here. Now I can just disable it. So if I go back, you will see now that it's not enabled. So now I press it again and it's again available. So yeah, you can also use the shortcut. So you can open up your project on the edit and then just press Shift S on your keyboard and it will be the same thing as you can see right here. If you go here to the timeline tab and then to the audio and then audio scrubbing. It's the same thing. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next